Gen xiao zhe xue fai yu ni men hao. As you can see, 现在我喝茶，因为我很喜欢喝茶，喝绿茶，是中国绿茶。现在在法国有很多法国人，他们喜欢喝茶，你们知道，他们喜欢喝茶。为什么？因为他们说绿茶和绿茶身体好。There are many French people who like to drink the green tea, especially in the morning for zaofan, for breakfast, okay? Let me put the tea here. And today we are going to see another lesson, so another French songs. And today the French songs, it will be this one. How do you say it? It's e. So how to pronounce e? You need to have a round mouth like this. The tone should be low, shouldn't be high, shouldn't be should be and the mouth should be closed. Shouldn't be no, should be closed. Wait. In China, you also have these sounds. Apparently, it's like these sounds, okay, but a little bit more open. It's like this Chinese sound, but the mouth must be more open. 在法国，你们知道，在法国我们有很多牛 ，we have many cows， and 这个牛他们说 moo 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 moo. So this is the same sound， 他们说一样的法国人、巴黎人，你们知道我是巴黎人 ，I come from Paris。And in Paris, 巴黎人他们说很多他们说的时候，他们说我叫乔治，我想做为什么 ？Why they say 为什么他们说？Why they say is because they are thinking. Maybe they think okay, they are thinking. So 现在你们跟我一起说。Alors, 跟我一起说一起说1 2 3 4 5 Okay? And as you can see, these are the different possibilities to write the sound E. So there are 21 different ways to write E. 你们请问跟我一起说 okay? Euphorie, bleuet, veule, je, feu, jeune, que, bleu, lieu, banlieue, que, bleu, lieu, banlieue, Neuchâtel, peul, schle, schle, monsieur, you mentioned that monsieur, it means Mr. And Megoren, tamen shu fagoren. The American, they say, some Americans, they say that the French people are a little bit arrogant, you know, fagoren, Indian. Fagoren, Baliren, Baliren, yo jig Baliren, tamen shu zhang. Baliren, et tamen gen shu, Monsieur! Okay, so monsieur. Okay, next one. Nimen gen wo ichi shu. Il peut. Il veut. De. Je. Que. Tu peux. Heureux. Heuristique. Malheureux. Angström. Rösti. Röntgen, Malström, Föhn, Vœu, Ne, bœuf, And the last one, veux, monsieur. Very good. 非常好。So 我们今天看我们一起说诶，我们last time we saw a， 我们一起说 a， pat， papa， 我们说 a， 我们一起说，我们看a， pat， ta， 今天我们看je， feu， last time aussi et， était, né, est, mère, j'aimais, jamais, j'aimais, au, so, or, porte, port, or, mort, i, fille, ami, ou, coup, out, u, nu, j'ai eu. OK? 非常好。再见，au revoir les amis, à bientôt.